We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hi guys, it's Mumsie here. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are a new viewer, a new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I wanted to share, as the title suggests, where I get my strength and courage. So I wanted to make this video because it's actually something that I just was like thinking about the other day. Where there's some things that I don't share, that I don't really talk about. I try by all means to make my channel kind of like positive and just full of light and full of love and motivation, but sometimes, which is kind of part of the reasons why I tend to be a bit inconsistent with my uploading, is because sometimes I don't have it in me to produce content. And today I also felt like that, but I decided, let me just turn on the camera, let me look cute and film a video for you guys. And that's what gave me the strength to come on camera today. That's what gave me the strength to produce something today for you guys. You guys gave me strength. You guys gave me that push. Okay, there's somebody out there who probably might need to see a video from me. Somebody who might just need a video out there. And so I did this video. I stepped out of myself, I stepped out of my feelings, I stepped out of my emotions, and I decided to be a bit selfless and do it for somebody else. I also kind of get my courage and strength from just my faith. I think a lot of the time, when I don't feel strong, I literally have to ask God, God, be my strength. When somebody comes to me, I'm feeling super low, feeling super down, and I just don't want to talk to anybody, and somebody comes to me and wants some sort of advice or needs some emotional strength or some emotional support, I meant to say, and now I'm in I personally feel like I don't have it in me right now to pour into someone. I literally have to just be like, God, I'm empty. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to help. But this person is here. This person has come to me and is asking for my advice and is asking for my help. Help me help them. And a lot of the time, he does come through for me. And he does what he needs to do. And at the end of those conversations with those people, at the end of that interaction, I too feel refreshed. I too feel like I feel better. It makes me feel better when somebody else feels better. When I help somebody else, it makes me feel better. It makes me feel like, I can do something. It makes me feel like, yeah, I do have a purpose when I help somebody else, when I step out of myself and do something selfless for somebody else. I also get a lot of my strength, let me not say a lot, but I do get quite a bit of courage and strength from the people around me. I think it's really important to surround yourself with people that will speak life into you, that will be willing to listen no matter how many times you are coming to them with complaints and tears and frustrations and stuff like that. It's so important to have people that will give you that emotional support, people who will be willing to go above and beyond for you. Wherever you're struggling, when you don't know what to do, when you don't have the strength to do something, when you don't have when you're just not able to do something, and you have that person or those people to assist you and help you, that also really helps. I remember when I was completing my studies, OUB, my varsity, and I had my final project, which was giving me a headache. Those who have interacted with me will know her. I'm always like telling them, you know, I'm not much of an academic. I've been tired of school for quite some time. And this was the final stretch. I was exhausted. Emotionally, mentally, physically, I was exhausted. I had the support of my parents, my family, you know, they helped me a lot. Physically helping me, you know, where you just don't have the strength to type something out. You don't have the strength to type that paper out because your mind is just racing. Your mind is not your how sharp. And I really wasn't okay towards the end of that race. And my parents came through for me. They helped me and they pushed me, and you know, they actually helped me, you know, to complete my project. And I don't think I would have been able to do it because I was done. I was literally just so done. There's so many instances where I've felt like giving up. I felt like I don't want to do this thing called life. There's so many instances that has happened, but for some reason I just still bounce back. I'm always just bouncing back, and I think, you know, I could not have done it on my own, because on my own I'm a mess, I'm a wreck. And I acknowledge that, and I'm not ashamed to acknowledge that I don't have it all figured out. And it's really great that I don't have to have it all figured out. So I wanted to make this video for somebody who might also be feeling the same way, who might feel like, I just don't have it in me. You don't always have to have it all together. You don't always have to be strong. You don't always have to be, you know, full of courage and all that. You don't have to. You don't have to. Surround yourself with people that will help you be strong when you can't be strong. God helps me a lot. God comes through for me a lot. And that's my greatest source of strength. Like I said, when I can't be strong, when I don't have the strength, I literally just am like, God, be my strength today. Just be my strength. Just speak through me, work through me, help me make the first step. Because alone, I know I'm not going to make that first step. Alone, I know I'm not going to, I'm just going to crumble. And I want to encourage you to build that kind of relationship with God. Build that kind of relationship with your Creator. He's there to help you. He wants to help you. He wants to be there for you. But you have to invite Him into your space. He's not going to force Himself onto you. He's not going to force Himself into your life. You have to invite Him into your life. You have to invite Him into your space. You have to invite Him into your heart. And then the rest will be history. So I thought I should just make this video. And yeah, it's okay. You don't have to be strong all the time. And yeah, but the good thing is that you've got, yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought about it. And let me know how you're doing. Let's have a conversation. Feel free to follow me on all my social media. It's Mumsie on Facebook and Instagram. And yeah, let's just connect and be strong together. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.